You've downloaded your raw DNA from one of the DNA testing companies, and now you want to upload it to MyHeritage. Here's how you do it. Create an account on MyHeritage. This is free to do. Once you've done that, you want to go to the DNA tab at the top on the right-hand side. Select Upload DNA Data from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where it takes you through uploading your DNA. Click the Start button. It will already have selected you as being the one who is uploading your DNA, and you only need to change this if you're uploading the DNA of someone else. Click Continue. You then have to go through a series of steps. The first of these is the Terms and Conditions and Privacy Policy. Tick the box if you're happy with those, and then click Continue. The next thing you need to agree to is the processing of genetic data. You need this to be able to see matches, so if you're happy to go ahead, click the box and then click Continue. Then you have to confirm that you're uploading your DNA data for personal use, as in not related to law enforcement or a forensic investigation. So tick the box and click Continue. The next section is about enabling DNA matches, which is what many people are uploading their DNA to find. Make sure you read through this, and if you're happy to proceed, click Yes. The next section is about sharing ethnicity estimates in genetic groups and sharing DNA segment data. So here it's completely up to you. Both of these allow people you match to see something about your ethnicity estimates and genetic groups. For example, if someone is looking for you, and part of that is because they know you probably have a specific ethnicity genetic group breakdown, then this can be helpful. And it can help in terms of placing you in a family tree. The other section is getting a bit more into hardcore genetic genealogy and can help in terms of looking for shared ancestors. Again, read both of these and click Yes if you want to take part. Bear in mind that you can always change this preference at any time by updating your privacy settings, and then click Continue. The last one is about participating in research at MyHeritage. Again, this is completely voluntary. Click the box and then decide yes or no if you want to take part in research. In this instance, I'm going to decline and show that that won't affect you being able to find DNA matches. You then see a table that lists your choices, and if you're happy to proceed, click Upload. The website will then ask you to navigate to your raw DNA data file on your computer. In this case, I am using an ancestrydna.txt file, but you may have one from 23andMe or Family Tree DNA, for example. The process is the same. Find the file, select it, and press Upload. The website will then tell you your DNA is being uploaded. You will then get an on-screen message to say that your DNA results will be ready in about 5 to 7 days. Sometimes it's a bit faster. You'll get an email to say when it's ready. Click Done. Now let's fast forward a few days. You've had your email to say your results are ready. You'll be able to see your matches by logging into your account, clicking on that DNA tab again, and on the drop-down menu, clicking on DNA Matches. You'll be able to see a number of things. You'll see a list of individuals, and you'll be able to see how closely they match you, estimated relationship, and you can also contact them. So do have a play around and look at any family trees they may have, and so on. This video is part of a series. Please find links to other videos about downloading your raw DNA data from testing companies and uploading it to other DNA databases in the video description.